soundtrack to your water activities has changed. This is the OMO Plus, the optical musical object, a Bluetooth 3.0 speaker that is waterproof and it floats. There's something about being in the pool or even a hot tub that goes better with music. But our music today comes from our phones, and our phones don't mix well with water. But with the OMO Plus, your music can swim. Designed to float on the surface of the water and immersed up to 1 meter, the OMO Plus connects to any iOS or Android device. 4 speakers and 2 subwoofers fill the surrounding area with high-quality sound. And best of all, you don't have to get out of the water to skip to the next song.
Yeah.